This recipe is going to give you 2 inches in 60 days. If your hair is not growing, then it means one thing: you are dealing with poor circulation on your scalp. And for you to get your hair growing, you need enough blood flow going through your scalp. If you use onions this way, you're going to get the double circulation, soothing, and a moisturized scalp. I needed to just say bye-bye to slow growth and a dry scalp. Let's get into the video, guys. You all know that growth doesn't start with a product. Your hair growth actually starts with blood, and that is what we are about to circulate right here in this video. Give this recipe 60 days. Use it consistently. You will notice that your edges start to come back, your ponytail starts to get thicker, and then you will come back to share your reviews. If you stay to the end of this video, I promise you will leave with a treatment plan that can actually change your hair. We are making use of only 2 ingredients in this video, and the first one, of course, is the purple onions. You can use the white onions if that is what you have. Any kind of onions you have available is absolutely fine. Just a medium size of onions is perfect. I had to cut mine because it was so big and I know that I'm not going to finish it. The most common question people ask is, why is my hair not growing? Is it because my hair is fussy and it is stubborn? 90% of the time, slow growth means only 3 things. It's either your scalp is clogged, or you are dealing with poor circulation, or there's inflammation on your scalp. But guess what? These ingredients you are using takes care of the 3. It cleans up your scalp, improves circulation, and also reduce inflammation. Onions is packed with sulfur. Sulfur is what your body uses to build keratin, which is basically what your hair is made out of. No sulfur, no strong hair, and no growth. Onions also contains quercetin, catalase, and high sulfur. Studies have shown that onion juice can help with alopecia areata because it boosts collagen production around your hair follicles. I'll be using the hand grater for this. If you have this at home, feel free to use it. If you have a blender, you can go ahead and use your blender. We are grinding this so we can get out the juice without adding extra water to it. The reason why onion juice works for hair growth is because it contains a lot of sulfur. Sulfur increases blood circulation to your scalp. The blood means more nutrients, more oxygen get to reach your hair follicle. If you're dealing with alopecia areata, this treatment is for you. Study has shown that 74% of people with alopecia areata regrow their hair in 4 weeks. When I say this will clean your scalp, I wasn't joking. Onion juice can fight dandruff and scalp infection. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can kill the bacteria and fungi that causes dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp infection. Onion juice is equally an enemy of DHT. DHT is the hormone that is responsible for shrinking your hair follicle and causing excessive shedding. Onion juice acts like a shield that won't let DHT attach to your hair follicles. The antioxidant properties in onion juice can protect your hair from breakage and environmental damages, so your strands can look thicker and more healthy. It also delays premature graying. The catalase enzyme in onion juice can reduce hydrogen peroxide buildup that causes gray hair. Now, catalase is an enzyme in the body. Think of it as a cleanup crew. This catalase breaks down hydrogen peroxide and turns it into water and oxygen. As we age, hydrogen peroxide builds up in the hair follicle. That is what bleaches your hair from the inside and turns your hair to gray. But catalase in onion juice neutralizes hydrogen peroxide, so it can help your hair slow down from premature graying. Again, too much hydrogen peroxide in the hair follicle can lead to weaker, brittle hair and hair loss. Other places where you can find this catalase enzyme is in your potatoes, in your apples, in your garlic. But onions is one of the richest source of catalase, especially the red onions, because enzymes such as catalase are fragile. Heat or harsh shampoo can destroy it, so it is advisable you use your onion juice while it is fresh. Ensure you do not boil it. When you boil it, you'll be destroying the enzymes. So when people say onion juice reverses gray hair, this is exactly what they mean. The catalase in the onion juice reduces hydrogen peroxide in the follicle, so graying can slow down. Now, these are the key components that make onions juice the baddest DIY hair growth remedy. Onions contain sulfur that is used to build keratin and kill bacteria. It also contains quercetin, which is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It contains catalase, which is anti-graying enzymes. It also contains vitamin C and vitamin B6, which is for cell repair and collagen production. And lastly, it contains potassium, which hydrates your skin and your scalp. So you see why onion juice is such a powerful remedy. Onto our second soothing ingredient, we'll be using aloe vera gel. It is best to use the fresh aloe vera gel, that is the fresh aloe vera plant. But I couldn't get the plant, so I had to buy the bottled aloe vera. But please, if you have the plant, please make use of it. Aloe vera contains 75 different nutrients and 20 amino acids and also anti-inflammatory compounds, which means that it can calm your scalp so your hair can actually grow. Aloe vera is basically water and medicine. That is why it works for any kind of hair. Aloe vera contains salicylic acid that calms irritated scalp. It is perfect if you're dealing with dandruff, eczema, psoriasis or dermatitis. Aloe vera also contains proteolytic enzymes, which breaks down dead skin cells and product buildup and cleanses your scalp so your hair can actually grow out. It also balances your scalp pH. A healthy scalp pH is around 4.5 to 5.5. Aloe vera is 6.5. What it does is that it gently balances your scalp pH without stripping, so your scalp isn't too oily or too dry. It also fights dandruff and fungi on the scalp. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can kill the yeast that causes dandruff. The enzymes and the amino acids stimulate blood flow to your hair follicle. This means that you get more blood flow, more nutrients, which is equals to faster hair growth. For this recipe, I use 3 spoons of aloe vera gel. Feel free to use more or less. After adding in your aloe vera gel, ensure that you mix it properly so everything will combine together. And this is exactly what you should get. Immediately you add the aloe vera gel to the onion juice, it is going to disappear almost immediately. Aloe vera is mostly water, so you would expect it to melt instantly, but the nutrient is still intact. Now that we have gotten our aloe vera and onion mixed together, let me show you how I apply this. I wasn't supposed to use this on my hair because I recently got my hair braided, but because I really need to demonstrate how I use this on my hair, so I have to just apply it on my scalp for you guys. Before then, let me quickly show you guys my beautiful hair. I don't think I have braided my hair this year, so I decided to make this one for an occasion. I hope it's pretty. If you're not on a protective style right now, you can use an applicator bottle to apply this. But if you're on a protective style just like myself, you will need a cotton pad to apply it. All you need to do is to soak the cotton pad into the mixture and extract the excess water from it before you dab it into your scalp. Once it touches your scalp, you're going to feel this cooling sensation. Now that is what we need. Why I apply this on my scalp? Let's talk more about the benefits of aloe vera because it has a lot of benefits you do not know about. Aloe vera stops hair fall. It has anti-inflammatory and a DHT blocking effect that can help you stop shedding. It also strengthens your hair from the root, so your hair doesn't break off easily. When I say aloe vera has 75 different nutrients, I wasn't joking. It is packed with vitamin A, C, E, B12, folic acid, zinc, calcium, magnesium, and that is just to mention a few. All of these are used for building keratin, which is the protein your hair is made out of. It has 20 amino acids and 7 of them are essential. Your body uses this to repair damaged hair follicle and build new hair strands. It is also an excellent collagen booster. It contains vitamin C and enzymes that can help produce collagen around your follicle, making your hair thicker and stronger. Did I mention that aloe vera is 99% water? This means it is deeply hydrating. It is also a humectant, which means it draws water from the air into your hair and locks it in. No more dryness and no more brittle hair. It also seals the moisture without grease. Aloe vera has the ability to penetrate into your hair shaft, so it moisturizes from the inside and not just sits on top of your scalp. It is one of the best natural leave-in conditioner ever. It is lightweight. It will not weigh your hair down. It will not cause you any product buildup. It will make your hair soft and easy to detangle. It is excellent for defining your coils and controlling freezes. If your hair is damaged, aloe vera is going to help you revive it because it contains vitamin A, C, and E, which repairs your hair. It can be from heat damage, color damage, or split ends. Aloe vera will leave your hair looking healthy and shiny. It protects your hair from UV damages. It contains antioxidants that protect your hair from sun damages that can cause dryness or fading. It is safe to say that aloe vera is one of the best thing nature has ever made for hair. It is more beneficial than I can say. If you haven't gotten our DIY ebook, the link will be in the description. Just click on the link to get yours. Now, this is what makes aloe vera what it is. Aloe vera has polysaccharides, which hydrates and heals your scalp. It has proteolytic enzymes, which clean up dead skin cells and unclog your scalp. The vitamin B's and folic acid help with cell turnover for new growth. So will you be trying out this amazing recipe? Let me know in the comment section. We have finally come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.